Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for my Purse Club. Now, if you're not familiar, this is either a monthly or quarterly subscription. They each run $36.99, and you get to set quite an extensive profile based on the type of handbags that you like. Now, new customers do get free gifts on their first shipment. They also have a shop that has other handbags, jewelry, soap, wallets, and even makeup. So let's go ahead and see what I was sent for May. Now, each month you get it wrapped up in one of these, and she wraps it up so well that I get nervous about opening it. All right, let's see. Am I good? Yeah. Okay. Another thing that they do is they wrap everything in gift wrap, so you get the whole experience of unwrapping something. Just making sure that I don't cut into the handbag. That would be horrible. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, it feels so soft. Now, everything they send is vegan, so plastic, but it feels so soft. It feels really real. This one has a quilted pattern. We have a cute little bumblebee there. Very cute. I would say that this is definitely a crossover bag. Now, satchels really are my favorite kind of bag, but every once in a while, you just need a crossover if you know that you need to be hands-free, things like that. So we have a magnetic closure, and we have a pocket that's lined with a nice black material. And then we have a zipper at the top. And what have we got inside? We have a strap that's equally as soft. Wow, that's amazing. And then inside, I don't feel, there's no pockets inside other than just the main pocket. So this is perfect for just going to the grocery store, just grab the essentials that you need, go shopping with your girlfriend. But isn't that pretty? Nice mauve color. It is like a mauve, I would say. I like it very much, very stylish. I've been happy with every bag that they have sent so far. Now, if you're not happy with a bag, you are welcome to send it back and they will send you another one. But I don't know that if it's at your cost or their cost. Probably yours. So there we go for May. I know these are very short videos, but this is what we're here for. Cute little bag. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.